Hello, good morning to you all. Today in this tutorial we'll see how we can fix the problem or how we can troubleshoot the problem of queued emails on the Gmail application. So if you are composing a mail on the Gmail app, this is my Android Gmail app, and if you compose something and the sent mail is not sending, so it is just appearing here in outbox. This is something called the situation of the Gmail you tried to send, the email you tried to send is queued in queue. So there are few reasons. The first thing you can check is your internet connection is whether it is really good or not. Switch between Wi-Fi and your mobile data. If it is well and good, you can do one thing. You can go to your phone settings and find the apps and notifications and click on the apps installed. Means we are finding the Gmail application and clearing the data. So I have read on internet that this particular thing, I selected the Gmail, solve the issue. Click on storage and click on clear data or clear cache. So by doing this, for many of them it is solved. Even if it is still persisting, you may try logging your Gmail on a desktop and try to send, because in most cases this will be automatically solved. But if it is the problem still exists, you can go for the desktop version. And if you are facing like waiting for sync or unable to receive new emails, I have already posted a videos on that, so I'll drop the links in the description. You can go through that. This queuing of emails basically happens due to running out of space in the mobile, so please do check that also. By trying this, it may solve the problem. I hope you like this, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.